Dear friends, let's learn the names of herbs starting with the letter chai and explore their benefits according to our needs. Children should also watch this video and learn so that their knowledge, speaking, and learning skills can improve.
Coriander, jazdi, fennel, chaumunakra, saffron, chai khatai, long pepper, chab, kutki, chatra, hibiscus, charchatta, pine needle, charkatu sanobar, chenopodium album, charbi, snake gourd, charbi samp, cannabis, charas, silver sage, charak nakra, charoli, charonji, wild date palm, चिड़िया, कैसिया अब्सुस seeds, तुखम खरफा.
I hope you enjoyed learning about these herbs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Afshar for more health tips. See you in the next video.